Alright, so this is the most viral thing right now. People are making these kind of videos with AI and they are going viral and gaining thousands of views and followers on various social media platforms. So let me show you how you can easily create these kind of videos. So first of all, you have to come to the website called Pika.art. And you have to sign up, or you can log in using the Google account. And once you are inside it, you can see that there are different kind of styles which you can try very easily. So this one is squishing, and this one is, you can see, this is also very popular, and this is basically the latest style. So we need to try this out. So just click on the try it with Pika effect. So here you can see this is the inflate effect, and then we have other effects as well. You can see explode effect, and we can make it cake, and we can squish it or crush it. So let's try this, and for this you have to click on this Pika effect, and then we can choose the style which we want. We can inflate it, melt it, explode it, squish it or crush it, and then we have also cakeify it. So let's try this one, squish it. So select this one, and then we need to select an image. So you have to select to make sure the image which is clearly visible, otherwise this will not work. This might give you some problems or some distortion. So I'll just select this image which is clear, and I will select open, and once that is done, you can see your image would appear right over here. Thereafter you have to just click on this star icon, and thereafter it's going to take a while. You have to wait, and once that is done, your image would appear, or your video would appear right over here. As you can see, I have created one already, which was the inflate effect on my image. I can download it from here. So let's wait for this one, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so now you can see that this is almost done. So this is the result we have got. Isn't this amazing? So let me just download it. We can download it, we can retry or re-prompt as well, but I'll click on this download button, and this is going to download this, and let me show you how it looks. Wow, this looks amazing. Alright, so let's try re-prompt. So if we click on the re-prompt, let's see what happens. It's going to show all these libraries and these different options. Alright, so from here we are going to choose different Pika effect. So this time let's select this one, cake it. Okay, so cakeify it, and then again let's generate it. Click on this to generate it. Again, it's going to take some time, and I will show you the final result. So this is the final result, and if you want to give it a try, just give it a try. Link is in the description section below, and don't forget to check out these videos. I promise to bring more useful videos for you. Till then, keep editing and unleash the creative in you. Bye.